vice versa tayo again, no, mga Gemini, no. So, one of you, no, sa relationship, no, parang nasasakal na. Or maybe for some of you, ay gusto nang kumawala, no. Maybe may person na controlling, no, for some of you, at may isang nasasakal, may isang masyadong controlling with the Emperor, kasi Emperor, kumbaga gusto niya lahat siya ay nasusunod, right? So with the Lovers in reverse, no, ang nakikita ko rito, someone is ano na no, thinking of getting out of the situation, of the relationship. So challenge dito for some of you, if you are this, na you are feeling, sabihin nating nasasakal ka na, challenge sa'yo how to get out. Because you are feeling that way na. So challenge sa'yo is to get out, no? And how can you do that, right? So ikaw lang din nakakalam. Alam mo ang mga ways how to get out of that situation or relationship, mga Gemini. Ikaw lang yung ayaw gumalaw. Maybe for some of you with the Emperor, kasi maybe, kumbaga sabihin natin controlling, because siya lahat din ang nagpo-provide for some of you, right? No, so maybe for some of you, kasi with the Lovers in reverse, ang nakikita ko rito parang wala nang partnership, wala nang passion, wala nang spark, no? Something like that, no? Ano yun yung nakikita ko rito eh. Or maybe for some of you, nawawala na ng time sa isa't isa, no? Something like that ng mga Gemini. That's why parang nagkakaroon na ng mga doubts, no? Mga hinala for some of you, right? No, kasi maybe for some of you nga dahil may controlling na person, but then dahil doon, no, nawawalan ka na ng sabihin natin parang masyado kang nasasakal for some of you, at nawawala yung yung parang pagtingin mo, no, because of that nawawala you are falling out of love, no, something like that. Or yeah, kasi ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, parang someone is falling out na, out of love na, something like that, no. Umaayaw na sa isang relationship for some of you. Kung ikaw man ito, Gemini, kung talagang you are talagang wala ka ng pagmamahal sa person mo, maybe sabihin mo ng totoo, right? No, so ang challenge sa'yo is sabihin mo yung totoo, right? Sabihin mo yung totoo. So hindi mo kailangang mag-go with the flow pa with the person you are dealing with if wala ka ng feelings for that person, right? No? So, maybe for some of you, challenge sa'yo is kausapin mo, no? Paano mo kakausapin yung person mo? Sabihin mo yung totoong nararamdaman ninyo, right? Mga Gemini.